Given two functions f and g, we can define our four new functions. We have the f plus g, f minus g, f times g, and f over g. So for the output of the function f of g, that is denoted by f plus g of x, and that is defined as the f of x plus g of x, or the sum of the images or the outputs of two functions f and g. For the difference of functions f minus g, yung kanyang output naman ay f of x minus g of x. So, take note na mauna si f, alright, bago kay g. Now, for f times g, that is just the product of the outputs of f and g. So, that is f of x times g of x. While for the difference of functions, f and g, so f divided by g, that is just f of x divided by g of x. Again, so si f dito ay nasa numerator. The g here is in the denominator. Okay, so for example, you have this one. Suppose we have f of x and g of x given by or defined by 2x plus 1 and 4x squared minus 1. We have to find the following. First, the f plus g of x. So the function f plus g of x is defined as f of x plus g of x. So I highlighted here the f of x, which is 2x plus 1, and g of x, which is 4x squared minus 1. We just substitute these values to f of x and g of x. We have this one. And then we will simplify that. Okay, so that is just equal to 4x squared. So we have this one. So since wala naman siyang similar term as is c 4x squared, and then for variable with x, that is only 2x, so just copy. Alright, so plus 2x. Ito namang plus 1 and then minus 1, magiging 0 yan siya. So you're just left with 4x squared plus 2x. Now for f minus g of x, you can write this one as same lang din dito, no, sa f plus g. That is f of x minus g of x. And that is just equal to, okay, f of x is 2x plus 1, then minus g of x naman natin ay 4x squared minus 1. Okay. So this is just, okay, so i-multiply natin itong negative 1 dito sa each term. Okay. Sa 4x squared at saka sa negative 1. Okay, so this will become, okay, copy lang muna natin itong 2x plus 1. Okay, so negative 1 times 4x, okay, you just have negative 4x squared. Okay, then negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Okay, so that is just, you can write this one as, okay, negative 4x squared plus 2x plus 2. Okay, so i-add lang natin itong no. Ito lang yung actually yung nag-iba. And of course, yung 4x natin ay naging negative na siya due to this negative here, right? Okay, now for the product, multiply lang din natin yung f at saka yung g. Alright? So you have 2x plus 1 times 4x squared minus 1. Ayan. You just multiply this one. And to multiply this, meron tayong tinatawag na FOIL method. Right? So first term, okay, that's for the first term. Then you have O is for the outside terms. Ito yon. Then I for the inner. These are the inner. And then the L for the last. Ito yung last terms niya. Okay. Okay, so following that one, we have this. Okay. Okay, for the first term, you have 2x times 4x squared. Then for the O, okay, so 2x times negative 1, that is negative 2x. Okay. Then for the inner term, 1 times 4x squared, that is plus 4x squared. And then for the last, 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Okay, simplifying this one, so you have 2x times 4x squared, that is just equal to 8x cubed. And then, sunod na natin itong plus 4x squared. Arrange lang natin. Minus 2x minus 1. Okay, so that is now the product of f and g. Now, for f over g, ito naman yung f natin, si 2x minus 1, divided by g. The g is 4x squared minus 1. Okay, so kung pwede pang masimplify yan, no, so by factoring or by division, you can simplify. But in this case, we cannot do that, no, because there is no common factor in the numerator and the denominator.